I can provide you with a list of foods that have been historically recommended by doctors and experts to support heart health and reduce the risk of heart attacks. Please note that medical advice may change over time, and it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized recommendations. 1. Fatty fish. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and lower triglycerides. 2. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and other nuts are high in healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. 3. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and other berries are rich in antioxidants and may help reduce blood pressure. 4. Oats. Oatmeal and whole oats are high in soluble fiber, which can lower cholesterol levels. 5. Dark chocolate. In moderation, dark chocolate with a high cocoa content can have heart protective benefits due to its antioxidants. 6. Green leafy vegetables. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 7. Avocado. A good source of monounsaturated fats, which can improve cholesterol levels. 8. Flaxseeds and chia seeds. High in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and other nutrients that support heart health. 9. Tomatoes. Rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that may benefit heart health. 10. Olive oil. High in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet. 11. Legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are excellent sources of protein, fiber, and other heart-healthy nutrients. 12. Garlic. Contains allicin, a compound that may help lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol. 13. Oranges. High in vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, which are beneficial for heart health. 14. Red wine. In moderation, some studies suggest that moderate alcohol consumption, particularly red wine, may have heart protective effects. 15. Green tea. Packed with antioxidants, green tea has been associated with various heart health benefits. Remember that a heart-healthy diet should be combined with other lifestyle choices, such as regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, not smoking, managing stress, and getting enough sleep, to maximize its benefits for heart attack prevention. Again, if you have specific health concerns or conditions, consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized advice.